Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
How would you do a worst case scenario assessment?
You've got to consider at that point what you thought you were willing to exchange, what impact it has on those resources. I would.
So ripple effect again, ecology, yes. Yeah. Those questions are relevant and still realistic. It's not worst case scenario. So what questions are you asking to determine the worst case scenario? What happens if
we don't do it, or we do it?
Well,
okay, all right. There are two questions that you are. So what are the two questions that you ask to get you motivated and driven to make the vision more real to you and exciting? Two questions, because that was the comment that you made earlier, Dean. Remember? It's one of the questions that you ask. Remember stacking the benefits?
Yes. So
yeah,
you're making it more of a reason or want to.
Everyone hold on to something.
Reasons to do something. You load it up in that sense.
Yes. Yeah. So it's stacking the benefits for what though? Come on, guys. Remind yourselves. We want to create some neurological highways. Yesterday, to create that vision, okay, we can do it pragmatically or psychologically. So the pragmatic way, the logical way would be, okay, right, how is this going to benefit me if I take action and achieve it? Yes, and don't just give yourself a one-worded or one-sentence answer. Stack your responses. So how is this going to benefit me, the team, my whole life? How's it going to contribute towards my career? Look at your work-life balance and everything else. Okay, and then it becomes compelling, and it goes from a should to a must.
Yeah, you get that drive and enthusiasm.
Yes. Otherwise, you're trying to drive to Glasgow with no fuel in the tank.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.